A warm welcome to my dear 5th standard student. I am your Max teacher Sandhya from Bharatidasar Matriculation Higher Secondary School, going to teach 5th standard Max 4th lesson. So, you all know what is our 4th lesson name, right? Our 4th lesson name is fractions. So, what is mean by fractions? Fractions means that is parts of the whole. The form of fraction is P by Q. Here P is numerator and Q is denominator. Then numerator means that is shaded part and denominator means that is total part. And today we are going to see fractions related problem. Our first topic, reduce each of the following fractions to its lowest term. The question is 10 divided by 20. Take a 10 divided by 20. We have the fraction 10 by 20. Now we are going to divide both a numerator and denominator step by step by their common factors. So, first you will take 10 by 20. Then you are going to divide a same number. Take a 2 table divided by 2 and then divided by 2. Now 2 table of 10 is how many times? 2 5s are 10. So here the dividend value is 10 and then the divisor value is 2. So the quotient value will be 5. So write the answer 5 divided by 20 divided by 2. And again you are going to check a 2 table of 20 or not, or else take 20 divided by 2. So, take the first number 1 2s are 2. Write here 1 2s are 2. Now 2 minus 2 is 0. Then you will bring down another 0. 2 table of 0 is 2 zeros are 0. 2 zeros are 0. So, write the answer 0. So, 2 table 2 tens are 20. So, write here 10. We got the answer 5 by 10. Again you are going to take 5 by 10. First you are going to check the 2 table. 2 table of 5? No, 2 table 5 is not possible. Why? Because 2 table fully even number. In that 5 table we have 0, 5, 0, 5 like that answer. Next you are going to check a 3 table. 3 table, these two things are not possible. Next 4 table. Then finally you are going to check the 5 table. Take a 5 divided by 5. Now 5 table of 5 is very good. How many times? 1 5s are 5 or 5 1s are 5? Only one time. So write the answer 1 divided by 10 divided by 5. Again take 5 table of 10 is totally 2 times. So, our final answer is 1 by 2. We should write the answer. The lowest term is 1 by 2. So, take the answer is 1 by 2. And the next question, 45 is divided by 60. 45 divided by 60. Now, we are going to take a numerator and denominator value divided by the step by step. Here the common factors, first you will take a 3 table. Why? Because 45 2 table is not possible. You are going to take a 3 table. Take a 45 divided by 60 divided by 3 and then 3. Here the dividend value is 45, then the divisor value is 3. So, take a 45 divided by 3. 45 divided by 3. So, 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. Take a 1 3s are 3. So, 4 minus 3 the answer is 1. Then you should bring down 5. Now, tell me Kiran, 3 table of 15 is very good. How many times? 3 5s are 15. So, here the quotient value is 5, 3s are 15. Now, 15 minus 15 the answer is 0. So, we got the quotient value 15. Write here 15. Next you will take a 60 divided by 3. So 3 table 60 possible means yes possible. 3 20s are 60. So write here 20. Here we got the answer 15 by 20. Again you will take a 15 by 20. You should reduce this. 15 divided by 20. So first you will check a 2 table. 2 table 15 is not possible. Then you are going to check a 3 table. 3 table 15 possible, 20 is not possible. Then you are going to check 4 table. 4 table 20 possible, 15 is not possible. Finally, you are going to check the 5 table. So, 5 table both numbers are possible, 15 and 20. So, take a 5 and then 5. So, 5 table of 15? Yes, 3 5s are 15. So, here the dividend value is 15, the divisor value is 5, the quotient value is 3. Write the answer 3. Next, you will take a 5 table. 5 table 20 is possible? Yes, 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. Already 20 is there, 5 is there. So, our answer is 4. Our final answer is 3 by 4. Write the answer. Lowest term equal to term equal to 3 by 4. So, next topic, fill in the blanks putting greater than or less than in the box to make the statement true. To make the statement true. Our first question, we have 4 by 15, 4 by 17. So, take that 4 by 15, then 4 by 17. Listen children, here we have a same numerator value. The numerator values are 4 and then 4. Now we are going to check the denominator value. We have the denominator values are 15 and 17. So numerator value same means in fraction the denominator value 15 is the greater value. The smaller number is called the greater value. So put the symbol like this. And our second question, 15 divided by 19, then we have 15 divided by 22. Here too we have same numerator value, then now we are going to check the denominator value. We have the denominator values are 19 and 22. Here 19 is the smaller number, in fraction the smaller number is called the greater value. So put the symbol like this. Our third question, 3 by 20 and then 7 by 20. Here we have a same denominator value, 3 by 20 then 7 by 20. Write 3 by 20, 7 by 20. The denominator values are same. So here you see the numerator value. We have the numerator values are 3 and then 7. So here the greater value is greater. So put the symbol like this. Next 5 by 18 and then 5 by 16. Take a 5 by 18, 5 by 16. So here too we have same numerator value. Check the denominator value. We have the denominator values are 18, then 16. So here in this fraction, smaller number is called the greater value. So put the symbol like this. So listen children, in this session you have learned only 2 topics, that is reduce the following and put the symbol. I hope everyone enjoyed the session. In this below description we have a study material, question bank and self-assessment work. So my dear students, do all the self-assessment work. If you have any doubt, just go through this video. Thank you.